If you're a health nut, then you need to know about artery tears and strokes. When an artery tears, it's called an arterial dissection. This tear can create a flap in the artery wall. Blood starts pooling behind that flap, forming a clot. If that clot breaks loose, it can travel to your brain and block blood flow. And boom, stroke time. So what causes these tears? It could be anything from a neck injury to high blood pressure, even sneezing too hard. Symptoms might include sudden severe headache, neck pain, or even trouble speaking. If you ever feel these symptoms, don't wait. Seek medical help immediately. Remember, staying informed can save lives. Now, you know the shocking link between artery tears and strokes. Till next time, stay healthy and stay curious.